YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, today I got a little surprise for y'all. It's Sunday. I picked something up from Best Buy, and we're gonna unbox it and check it out a little bit together. I'm gonna share this unboxing experience and just this whole experience that I'm excited about with y'all, because it's your man BG Tech Life. So before we even get into this, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, BG_Tech Life. Go ahead and follow me over there, because you're going to see stuff like this before it's up on the YouTube channel. And follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. And, you know, I'm real interactive on Twitter. I post a lot of things on Twitter. So, like, to keep up with the channel, follow me on those social medias. Plus, I'm kind of like a pretty cool guy. I post funny stuff. I post stuff, tech news, things of that nature, guys. A lot of slick tech I post to my social medias, and you can keep up with the channel. So follow me on both of those, Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Now, let's get into these. These are the Beats Studio Buds. Now, we know that Beats, they've been around for a while, and at one point they kind of like fell off. Then Apple bought them because they were known for super expensive headphones. Then companies like Soundcore came in and made headphones at way cheaper price points that were just as good. And Beats were known for just being super ultra expensive, but the quality really wasn't there. But now Apple owns Beats, and maybe this is a new start for them, because these earbuds right here, these Studio Buds, the price point is $149.99. And when I heard of Beats and the name Studio Buds and $149.99, I would have thought they was going to be more expensive than that, because of the name Beats was attached to it. And this is a pretty good price, guys. It's not a bad price. It's cheaper than AirPod Pros, it's cheaper than the new Sony earbuds. So I really thought that it was going to be like maybe Apple was trying to use Beats to make a quality earbud to go with their phone, and it was going to kind of be like the Pixel Buds, where you don't have, the price is not as expensive, but you don't have all, everything. But as you can see on this box, guys, I was surprised when I picked it up, because I haven't even looked at a review. I just seen them, and I seen them on Instagram, and I never really looked at no in-depth specs. But it says active noise canceling and transparency mode. I didn't expect those features on Beats Studio Buds for $149.99 at all. So I know y'all getting tired of me talking now. I don't know how this got what. Maybe when I was cleaning it off. But we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing, guys. And there's going to be an app for this. Made for, TV, iPhone, Studio Buds app. We're going to get into all of that, guys. Active noise canceling with transparency mode. That's dope. Powerful balance sound. I love powerful balance sound. And true wireless earbuds with Type-C charging case. So you got a Type-C charging case, true wireless earbuds. Let's go ahead and pull these things out, guys. I don't want to destroy this box, but I will if I have to. Okay, so we just got a little pull tab right here on the box, guys. I'm going all crazy. Once you pull the tab, up. Okay, we're going up with it. That's dope. So we're going to pull it out, and we are presented with the wireless charging case, and I'm pretty sure that the buds are in the charging case, the Type-C charging case. As you can see, got the charging case, got a light, got a nice B on there for Beats. Type-C charging on the bottom. I don't see any type of buttons or anything of that nature on these bad boys. So we're gonna sit this to the side before I open it up. And this was just, this just had everything packaged nicely in the box. We're gonna set that to the side. And what do we have here? This is how they supposed to be inserted into your ear. Okay, so you put them in and kind of like rock them back, and you should have a nice tight fitment in your ear, guys. They're trying to get you a nice tight fitment. I like that. And we got charging, Type-C, the Type-C cable. Fast fuel, 5 minutes. You get up to an hour of usage with 5 minutes of charge. That's always dope. Great sound, starts with proper fit. So, and these are some extra ear tips, guys. I'm not gonna pull them out. I always just try to buzz with the first, it's like normally mediums on the buds when you get them. So I just try the mediums out. So let me move this stuff out of the way, out of sight. And all right, now here we go. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. Nice clean earbuds, guys. Nice clean earbuds. You see, as you can see, right? And they curve, they contour to fit into your ear really nice. I like a nice fit in the ear. They doing some blinking stuff. We're gonna check it out on the iPhone in a minute, guys. So matter of fact, we can go ahead and check it out now. Let me get my iPhone out and see what we doing here. Now I got my iPhone right here, guys. I'm gonna open these up because it should have like that connectivity chip in them. So we're gonna open these up because they Beats by Apple. So you know they should do something special with the iPhone. And there we go. As you can see, let me pick this up gently. We got the Beat Studios connected to my iPhone. As soon as I open them up, let me see if I close it. It disappears. Open it up. Immediate connectivity to your iPhone, guys. It's very dope. So we're gonna go ahead and connect. I just wanted them for this iPhone experience. I knew it was gonna be pretty dope. And we got an 88% charge on the buds, 75% charge on the case. So let us know that. Okay, boom. So we pretty much connected. So we got these and they connected. I'm gonna pull them out, take a look at them. As you can see, nice, clean, white. I wanted the white to go with my iPhone. As you can see, my iPhone is white. Nice, clean look there, guys. Nice, clean look. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, check them out, download the app, and come back to y'all. Okay, guys, we back. So I'm just gonna talk about a couple things. There's no long-term review. Got to put them in my ear, got to try them out for a little while. And actually, guys, these things fit in my ear really well. Lately I've been looking for a pair of earbuds that fit in my ear and stay in my ear. A lot of times earbuds, I don't know, my ears are awkward, but they kind of slide off my ears. But these fit right into my ear canal, and these contours fit right into the contours of my ear, so they kind of like locked in. Best fit that I've had in a long time, or probably ever, with some earbuds, honestly. Now the sound, it is quality sound, guys. Quality sound. When you got them in your ears, you got them on. That bass is clean. They giving you clean bass and treble. Like, it's not over dramatic bass. It's not extra bass. It's not bass that sounds crazy or raggedy. It's like a clean hitting bass. Is not like, they're not the most bassiest headphones, but the bass is there and it's very clean. I like that. And I like the very clean treble. Like, you could listen to a lot of genres of music with some earbuds like this. So very good listening experience, very good feel in the ear. Also, I found out that you can actually, like, when you on an Android device, they have an app for these where you can pair quickly to your Android device, and you can use the features of the earbuds on your Android device. When it comes to Apple, they more so baked in. So you will go to your Bluetooth settings, and you will go to info next to the Beat Studio Buds, and that's where you will get all your controls. Your noise cancellation, your transparency mode, they work really well. They don't work as good as over-the-ear headphones, but they sound really good. Transparency mode is a little tinny. It sounds a little awkward, but that's the experience that I've had with everything that's had transparency mode on it. The noise cancellation, because they're in your ear, works really, really well, guys. And you can a lot of control from just baked in to the iPhone. But if you do have an Android phone, you're not gonna miss out on anything or any connectivity, because they have a whole Beats app for Android. Now, to pair them with an Android phone, all you would do is hold this little connectivity button in the middle. There's a connectivity button right here. You will hold it next to the Android device, and it will pair, guys. So yeah, a really interesting pickup, guys. I think Beats might be on the way back with these. These are pretty, at this price point. Even they've got us so conditioned that we've got to spend so much money to get quality, guys. these are a serious AirPod Pro contender. I don't even understand. Like, maybe Apple wants to back off the AirPod Pros and really push the Beats side of things, their AirPods and their AirPod Pro Maxes and all that. Because at $149.99, they really undercutting the AirPod Pros. The connectivity is there. The only reason that you would grab an AirPod Pro over this when this is $100 cheaper is because you just want that Apple branding. But if you really into Apple, you know that this is now basically the same thing as Apple branding because Apple owns this. But yeah, guys, these are pretty dope for $149.99. If you're looking for some wireless earbuds with features at a good price point, and these are slick, and he's kind of like, Beats still got a little bit of baller status, a little bit of how would you say, it's they're very stylish. They're very stylish headphones. They've always been like that, and they still have that kind of like prestige to them. So for $149.99, this is definitely a nice pickup, man. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. These are my Beats Studio buds, and this is your man BG Tech Life. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. I'm out. Peace.